think these gonna fit?
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, the vlog. Pappy karate shop in the air. So today, we have a couple things to do. We are going to be doing some stuff to Pat Z. We gotta go to Pop-Up's garage, the same place that did Steven's Knuckles, for his, I'm not gonna say it because I'm not gonna give you all the sauce.
Steven
But
only got one car, bro.
Facts. But we're gonna go to Pop-Up's garage and then we're gonna come back. We have my faces that we're gonna measure out the specs for. Let's see them. My car's locked, but there they are. Y'all seen them before? If you haven't seen them before, go watch the previous 2 vlogs in Florida. That was a pretty fun trip. Shout out Jeff. Shout out Jeff.
Shout out Jeff. We about to test fit these wheels.
Yo, couldn't remember the word.
Because tonight we about to go do some good stuff.
We're gonna go to Mexico. We're taking a quick drive to Mexico.
I mean, you know, I only have to drive on these, right?
Probably not.
About to ball it out.
God damn, Pat.
Good slides.
Like, we actually have to wait for this guy to come pick up his car from
Good
Pat.
customer, you know.
So Pat's gonna try to install his upper control arms in
2 seconds. Son of a bitch.
All right, there you go. 2 seconds.
For y'all, it's 2 seconds, but for me, it was 6 hours. Psych, boy, you thought like shit?
It's actually dark outside. It's nighttime.
Yeah, like, I'm breaking sweats out here.
You see this?
Feels like I'm working out and stuff.
Yeah.
Like, nah, it was like good 4 minutes.
Fake low. Big fake low.
Oh, you know what that shirt says?
Stupid.
Yeah, you.
Time to go to Pop-Ups.
On the way to La Plata. Imagine taking our cars through here. The STI is a rally car. What you mean? Not me.
Bro, he drives a static Honda through the gym.
Oh no.
Yeah, bro. Look at his fucking car. He makes it through here,
All
bro.
of his cars.
Nah, he probably trailers it here.
No, he drives it.
What the?
You have a ride.
Look.
Oh, he took it out the garage. That's just that. Look at that shit fucking wild.
Yo. Look, this is the joint that he was driving through it.
Well, I gotta get new fenders. I gotta like pull them or something because it's hitting real bad. I mean, it does the thing. Like you look like that's the ground.
Wow. You raised it?
Oh my god.
Yeah, the motor's raised like an inch and a half.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, this is pretty dope. Thanks.
Oh my god. That's crazy.
I was gonna do this to the Z. Is this safe?
There's better ways to do it now. That was done like fucking. I'm trying to think. That was done probably like 8 years ago. That's how it used to go low back in the day.
Yeah, I was telling you I was trying to either like shorten the
Spindles.
yeah.
That's the way to do it. Yeah, this one I need to rebuild shorter ones for this. I need to do angled and shortened ones for this.
Wow, this is bad.
Yeah.
This is bad.
Yeah, I mean that's how people did it back in the day. I mean I've driven the same. I used to daily it like that. So I mean.
Do you still have springs?
Yeah.
You do have springs.
He's a
I was looking, I was like, why you got springs?
It's just a Honda Civic. It's the hood plug.
I guess just like draw a template or something. It's in like the same
Normally
spot.
what I do is I cut one and just like I can lay this one up against this one or whatever.
Oh, just make
Because they should be like the same.
Yeah.
This way or whatever. And that way it'll be close.
Yeah.
Like you might have to like pry out like a screwdriver or something, but it'll be close enough, you know what I mean?
Shout out to the boy Paul's garage.
Yeah, so we just got done at Pop-Ups. Just dropped the control arms off, talking to him for a bit. Y'all just saw the Civic. It's crazy.
We're about to go get some food. And then we're gonna head over to Brandon's. We're gonna do Mace's Fitment and Kev's Fitment as well. And then just call it a day.
I think Corey's coming in miles, right?
Yeah, Corey's also popping out.
We'll
so,
wait for Corey.
Yeah,
Okay.
so we'll see you at Pat's. Let's go get some food.
2021, you can't be pressing no buttons.
Did that even work?
Yeah.
Senior Richardson, Select. My name is Casey. I may help you.
Alright, can we do 3 separate orders?
What can I get you for the first one?
Let me go first. Can I get the number 3, just the burger?
Alright, mayonnaise, lettuce, and tomato on that, okay?
Yeah, that's fine, but no bun.
You said no bun?
Yeah, no buns.
He just went to meat. It's like hanging off the side.
That shit gas.
All right, guys. So we made it back to Pat's. We're waiting on Corey right now. Hopefully he's coming soon, but I don't know. We'll see. Welcome to the vlog, Garvin.
What's up?
Oh shit! Almost died! Okay, I put it back. Oh shit! Almost died. Almost died, bro. Saw that last.
You.
Dino HR.
It's the guy. Oh, he found his hoodie too.
What's up, vlog? Hey, I heard that this was a Dino HR.
But all right, boys. Pat's going to drop off T.
Yes.
And then we're all gonna be going to Brandon's.
I'll see you guys after this team.
Okay, bye, Pat. We will see you guys in a second.
Yeah.
Over at Brandon's. Let's measure this fitment. I'm excited. I need to get these wheels on ASAP.
Good freaking morning, vlog. My name is Brandon Lay. How are you guys?
Brandon just finally woke up. It's about 3:30. Kev is the first fitment guy up today. We're gonna be measuring his fitment first.
Yo, where'd you get that hoodie?
Y'all have seen him
Where'd you
first.
get that hoodie, dude?
Bro, I don't know. Bro.
How many times we gotta go over
Yeah,
it?
thrift shop.
Thrift shop.
Thrift shop.
Yo, where'd you get that hoodie? Huh? Oh, I found out that
You
thrift
got cum stains?
Oh shit, I got
Oh no, Kev. Good Mustang.
I told you to wait.
You told me go forward, go forward.
I said go forward, and then I said wait. This is why these Mustangs are crowd killers, bro. I don't listen.
Literally slid the board out that way.
Look, back the car up, because you need to know.
Wait. Let me see where everything is at the moment.
Okay.
Rain check.
Alright, Alexa, close the door.
Now close it.
Wow! Oh my god!
That'd be so cool. Like, if somebody's outside your garage, you can just scream Alexa, open the garage.
Yo, bro, we just like throw the wheel.
Yo! What?
That's how it works.
I mean,
Brandon, hit the gym, dog. You even lift, bro?
Alright, so what we have to do now is we need wheels to test fit on this thing. So we're gonna be taking the wheels off of Brandon's WRX and we're gonna be test fitting them on here.
Yeah. Put over there.
Can you drop the car?
Oh wait, we gotta put the wheel on first. Okay.
Okay, I'll drop it right now.
It don't fit. It don't fit.
Why? Hub bore.
No,
Why?
the lug size is too big. These were re-drilled.
Oh, the re-drill for your car.
boy. Bruh. It's like.
All right, so basically what's happening right now is that the, all right, Pat, shut up. All right, so the hub bore is too big to fit a spacer in right now, and the wheels were re-drilled for Brandon's car, and Pat is trying to fucking touch me.
In all the right places.
Oh. So we can't get the wheels on. I'm not sure what we're about to do right now. Probably just fit my wheels on.
Bam. So it looks like Kev is gonna catch his L. I think he finally realized the issue with purchasing an American muscle instead of a JDM car. So we're just gonna pull in Mace's Miata and call it a day.
Sounds good to me. God damn it, bro!
What?
I bounced my fucking terminal.
Alright, ready?
My battery off its terminal.
I knew that was gonna happen, bro. I literally said that. Oh my god.
I bounced the battery.
Woo! Wow, good job, Mace.
All right, let's see if it starts. Let's hope it starts. 5. No lifter tick.
NW30.
5.
Mace, watch out for the dick. Watch out for the dick. Wow, he's not even low. Alright, whoa, so much more space.
No.
Wow, Corey, that was cute.
Let's measure.
Wait, are we gonna have to pull off the Miata wheels?
What wheels?
Yeah.
Which wheels?
My Miata wheels?
No, we're putting these on the hub and measuring.
Oh, okay.
Cause like these are what's gonna be on. So. Yeah.
You know, Mace, I think you should just drive like that.
Like on these?
Yeah, no barrel, no lip,
I get
no
like
tire.
a bike tire. Nah, just like a bike tire.
Nah, bro, just like that, bro.
I mean, shit, you wanna try?
I mean, it's your car. If you want to do it, I'll do it for you.
The good old 2-jack method.
Wow, Brandon, you do so fast.
I own Miata. I understand.
Ah, shit. Too much shit.
Dude, just jack it up from the face.
Say I won't.
That's it. Bro, that's it. It's not gonna go up any higher.
Oh. Okay.
Not good sounds, bro. From here to here.
Steven is the fitment god, so.
You're zero that.
No, I don't know what I'm doing.
You could do 4.5 or 4.
Did you want to see the sauce? Did you want to record the sauce?
Yeah,
You do 4.
Here.
I said 4.
Alright guys, so what I think is gonna happen, we're gonna be doing
But
a
is it-
4-inch
is it
4-inch lip with a 5 or 5.5 inch barrel. We're gonna have to do the rears now.
Hey, Steven.
Face me.
Part 2.
Steven, we need your sauce. Sauce master.
Okay, hold on.
Wow, 14 degrees?
That's like weak.
That's weird! Damn it!
Why don't you measure it again when it's already jacked up?
Oh,
yeah, I
it's
did
not
that.
jacked up.
Why you know jack up?
Well, I went from negative 14 to 17.
Yeah, I mean it's the weak. But...
Yeah, it's weak as hell.
Okay, 90 degree right here.
We good?
4-inch lip.
No, 5 if you want to go fender lip, so 4.5.
4.5.
4.5.
Bet.
And then just go all the way back.
7.
Sheesh.
So you can put, or not 7, but like 6.5. What barrels are you gonna run in the front?
5.5.
5.5. Just do 5.5.
Alright, bet.
5.5 and 5.5. Honestly, just get the 5.5 barrels for both, and then the 4-inch lips for both, and then just get spacers for the rear.
Yeah. High key. So do a square setup.
Yeah, because that way, if anything happens, like you can move the backs to the front or the fronts to the back.
Yeah.
Bet.
High key.
We finally did it. We got my wheel specs.
Must be nice.
Oh, what's up?
I'm gonna.
Cat,
Sicky.
Must be nice.
Cat over there is so hurt right now.
So I will finally have matching wheels. I just have to order the barrels and lips, but coming soon. Tyler has a little bit of a special surprise for you.
Hey, it's a surprise. Hatch is better than coupe.
Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? I don't think y'all ready.
Oh wait, he busted her.
Yeah. Oh, Tyler, they ain't ready, bruh.
They not ready.
They ain't ready.
What's your first mod? What's your first mod? What's your first mod? What's your first mod? No,
That is so beyond me, bro.
That is so beyond me. You sus. Good.
Hey, Peter's right, bro. Peter's right. You see this little seatbelt buckle right here, bro?
Hey, Tyler, Tyler.
Whoa!
This man.
They're gonna go back. Watch out.
He's gonna break my car.
Tyler, they're gonna be seeing a lot more 240 action, huh?
Oh, of course.
Oh, yes, sir.
Daily.
Comment down below if you want to see more of Tyler's 240.
You see this?
See what's happening?
It will be fixed.
See, we got a lot to
will be
fix.
fixed.
We got a lot to fix.
We do have coils. We can fix it right now.
All right.
Like, nah, bro. I need alignment, low key.
All right, guys. So we did everything we needed to do today. I think we're gonna end it here. Thank you guys for coming along. The whole gang's here.
We're about to go to Mexico right now.
Yeah, let's go to Mexico. We will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Pat loves you. We all love you. Go down in the description. Check out the Slanted shop. Cop yourself some merch, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you guys.